With simplistic design and straightforward installation, the Moen Adler H7233 is a suitable choice for countless scenarios. Welcome to Shouldit Kitchen Faucet series. Hello folks, in today's Shouldit DIY, we're installing the Moen Adler H7233 single handle pull down kitchen faucet. Let's do it. These are the components when you open up the box. Use the deck plate for 3-hole installation or use the rubber gasket. In this video, we're going to use the gasket. Put the mounting bracket onto the main shaft and secure it with the mounting nut. Notice the space for the water supply lines on the bracket. Use the included tool to tighten the mounting nut. Put on the hose protector and tighten by hand until snug tight. Connect the hose to the sprayer head. And push the hose all the way through the body. Connect the sprayer hose with the main water line via the click connector. And keep the weight onto the hose at the yellow marker. Then connect the water supply lines and tighten with a wrench. Run the water, then check for leaks. And you're done. And that's how we install the Moen Adler H7233 kitchen faucet. Thanks for watching Shouldit. Click like if you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing and donating to support the team. Share your thoughts with us in the comments. We'll see you very soon.